So over the last couple of weeks, my glitch tutorial kinda blew up. At this particular moment, it has almost reached 1 million views. But the thing is, I wrote a special comment on that video saying that if 50 people follow the tutorial and make a glitch drawing, I'm gonna do a special giveaway video. And you guys, well, you guys blew me away. Unbelievable. There are well over 50 people who tried it out already, and the designs I've seen, it's really incredible. So that's why this week's video is gonna be the special giveaway video. So all jokes aside now, and let's talk about the giveaway. Because this giveaway will consist out of 2 parts. The first part is literally something that I've created for every single one of you. And for the second part, there will be one big winner in the end. So make sure to watch the entire video, because throughout this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get and win the giveaway items. So with that being said, enjoy the video. And make sure you subscribe with notifications, because the winner is gonna get announced in next week's video. Obviously, the first thing I have to do is to go shopping for some giveaway items. I'm back home with the art supplies, but we'll have to do one more thing now. So the sketchbook is part of the giveaway, but I'm not gonna leave it blank like this. I'm gonna customize the very first page of this sketchbook, and because the theme of this giveaway is glitch, I'm gonna make a glitch drawing. So I hope you're ready. Here we go. And if you've seen my glitch tutorials, you know that the very first step is sketching a model on a scrap piece of paper. Sketch. Check. So let's go on to the second step, and that's inking the sketch with a fine liner.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying.
Alright, now it's time to duplicate this image 3 times in a row on the first page of the sketchbook. So for this next step, I'm gonna use my light pad.
Anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Hey. Losing track, even God knows.
Let's trace the second layer.
Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go.
One more layer and the sketch is done. After making the sketch, I'm always doubting the fact that I can even pull this off, because, I mean, look at it yourself. I mean, the sketch is again quite insane. Look at this section. Look at this section. But the good news is, since the sketch is done, we can start and do the coloring. So before I'm gonna start the coloring section of my drawing, let's pause the video here real quick, because it's time for the first part of the giveaway. So although I have seen a lot of people creating really cool glitch drawings, there were also a lot of people struggling with the coloring part of the glitch drawing. So I got to work and I created a coloring workbook. It's filled with exercises that gradually build up in difficulty, so you can learn the coloring part of creating a glitch drawing. So I really hope you appreciate the time and effort I put into the coloring book. It's basically my way of saying thank you to every single one of you. If you want to get this coloring workbook, just go to the link below. It's going to be the first link you see in the description. So yeah, I hope you like this first part of the giveaway. Alright, so with that being said, it's time for me to start the coloring part of my sketch. So I would say, enjoy the time lapse. Here we go. Glitch drawing is honestly going so much faster and smoother than all the glitch drawings I've done so far. This means I'm improving. Gonna be filling in most of the black areas first. It's down to the last section now, and it's gonna be the most difficult part. So wish me luck. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I'm done with the glitch art in the sketchbook, so that means it's time for the big giveaway. So you can win all the Posca markers that you need to create a glitch drawing, also a brand new sketchbook that includes one glitch artwork from me. And now comes the part everybody has probably been waiting for. How can you win it? I'm gonna pick one person from Instagram or from YouTube. So obviously if you participate on both platforms, you will have more chance to win it. So on YouTube you have to make sure you're subscribed, you like this video, and you have to place a comment that shows that you want to win this giveaway. On Instagram, kind of the same, you just have to follow me, you have to like the giveaway post, and you have to comment saying that you want to win the giveaway item. And if you tag some friends in the comments, that will also benefit your chances to winning the giveaway. So I hope that's clear, and if you have questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Next week it's gonna be another special effect drawing, and I'm gonna announce the winner in that video. So make sure your notification bell is checked on, and then I'll hope to see you in a couple of days in a new video. Take care.